Mary Pushpa, Assistant Professor from BC Department. Today I would like to give a PowerPoint presentation on Women Entrepreneurship Development. So, in Women Entrepreneurship Development, we need to discuss some points like introduction of the women in olden days and need for the women empowerment, what women can, and in the government have implemented many things for women like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and Mahila Shakti Kendra, support for training development and employment and development program, next Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, and where do we need empowerment and social empowerment, educational empowerment, economic empowerment, political empowerment, and then the message to the society. So in olden days, actually women were not treated equal to the man. So women empowerment is nothing but making women strong regardless of what are the challenges they are facing today, either they are small or big. Okay. So in earlier centuries, they were not treated equally as man. So they were supposed to sit at home and taking care of children, and they had no right to the vote also. Women empowerment become a breath to the breath of fresh air for most, granting them equal rights to vote, and they can make their own decisions as man, and they can lead the family by granting them equal rights. And as time went on, they began emphasizing women's right to vote, and they began to demand equal pay and equal opportunities in employment and all facets of life in social and development wise. So history tells us that women have suffered a lot through the hands of men, and the main issue was bride burning there. So bride burning is nothing but when a husband was died, along with the husband, wife should be burned there itself. So that was eradicated by so many social development programs like Sati Prata, and again they were women were mostly they were tortured by men like acid attacks, honor killing, domestic abuse. So in olden days, so now also they are continuing and they were in practice and they become worse than nowadays. So years later we came to recognize that it was the crime. So